Hello everyone, I am going to give demo in coordinate geometry and my topic is distance between 2 points A x1 by 1 and B x2 by 2. See here, point A and B, we have represented it in 2D Cartesian system, means 2D Cartesian system. Point A, that's x coordinate is x1 and y coordinate is y1, and point B, x coordinate is x2 and y coordinate is y2. Now we have taken the projection of point A and B on x axis and y axis respectively. Projection of A on x axis is point L and projection of B on x axis is point M, and projection of point A on y axis is point P, and projection of point B on y-axis is point Q. Now we have taken a point C such that AC will be perpendicular to BC. Then a triangle will be formed, triangle ACB, and triangle ACB, which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So in triangle ACB, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, that tells that hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here hypotenuse is the longest side of right angle and the side front of 90 degree. Okay, जो 90 degree front of 90 degree, that is AB, that is hypotenuse will be AB square, and base that is AC square. This is the hypotenuse and this is the base and this is the perpendicular, plus perpendicular square, that will be BC square. So we can calculate the distance AB, that will be under root AC square plus BC square. Now if we will get the distance AC and BC, then we can calculate the distance between 2 points A and B, that is line segment AB. See here, AC, what will be the distance AC? Here ALLC is a rectangle in which opposite sides are equal. Then AC will be equal to LM, and LM is the OL is x1 and OM is x2. Then LM will be OM, largest distance minus smallest distance, OM minus OL, that is equal to x2 minus x1. And we have to calculate now distance BC. Distance BC, here PCBQ is also a rectangle in which opposite sides are equal. So BC will equal to PQ. And what will be the distance PQ? Distance PQ will be OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP, it will become PQ. OQ minus OP, that is OQ distance is by 2 and OP distance is by 1. Now we will put the value of AC and BC here. Then AB will become under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and this is the distance formula between 2 points, distance between 2 points A and B, where the A point is x1 by 1 and B point is x2 by 2. x1 is the x coordinate of A and y1 is the y coordinate of A, and x2 is the x coordinate of B and y2 is the y coordinate of B. So we can write distance AB will become under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and this is the derivation of distance formula between 2 points A and B. Thank you very much.